guys, for today's video, marami akong gagawin ngayon today. Actually, sa sa kitchen. I mean, sa maraming gagawin sa kitchen. So, unang-una, meron akong naka-bake na embutido dito. Ito, pakita ko guys. I'm gonna move this around. Ayan yung embutido ko. As you could see, 4. Yung embutido, minsan ini-steam ko, minsan binibake ko na lang. Kasi yung sa bake, parang mas madali para sa akin. So, yun na lang ang gagawin ko. And then, meron akong boiling water doon. Magluluto ako ng spaghetti with meatballs for lunch. Actually, yun ay hindi Filipino style. Italian style, yung medyo maasim-asim. Kasi di ba sa ating Filipino matamis, we put sugar or yung mismong Filipino spaghetti sauce, merong kasamang banana ketchup yun or anong tawag na, mas matamis compared dun sa traditional na Italian sauce. But anyway, meron din akong pakwan dito. Hatiin ko. Ay, ito pala guys, tingnan nyo. I got this from Dutch Bros. It's really good. Parang Starbucks din, pero parang anong tawag dito? Medyo mahal ng konti, pero carry na, you know. May iba-ibang flavor din. Kapag winter, meron silang flavor na gustong-gusto ko, kaya lang hindi ko matandaan. Ano ba yan? But this one is it's like a Golden Eagle sugar-free caramel and vanilla coffee. Something like that. Diba sa mga coffee shops, ang haba ng mga pangalan, kaya yan dyan sa Starbucks, hindi ko matandaan yung mga tinitinda nila dyan. Diba may video, I've seen a video na ginagawang nakakatawa, yung may 2 pumps of this and that, you know. But anyway, magkahati tayo ng pakwan. Meron akong pakwan dito. Ito guys, sinugasan ko na to. I washed this already, and then ikakat lang natin. But parang, well, I think this is the right knife. Oh man, it's bad. It's really bad. Oh, that sucks. Look at guys. Every single time, look at this. Lagi, kapag bumibili ako ng pakwan this is not the first time. It happened to me, like probably 10 times na, more than 10 times na when we buy watermelon from Walmart. It's either, it's a hit or miss. So ito, tingnan mo, sira na naman. Pero i-refund nila ito. I ordered online, so I'm just gonna tell them and then they're just gonna refund me right away. My God. Okay guys, I guess hindi tayo maghihiwa ng pakwan. So alisin ko muna to. So ayan guys, luto na yung embutido. Okay, ito guys. Hindi ko muna to. Bukas ko pa lulutuin to. Or, when is that? Today's Monday. Wednesday. Ito guys yung embutido ko. Tapos, naluto na yung spaghetti with meatballs. Excuse me. Na lunch namin ngayon. Kaya lang, parang mas gusto ko na pork chops. So, magluluto ako ng breaded pork chops. Pero yung meron pang leftover dito. Ito guys, yung spaghetti with meatballs. Si Greg kumain na, spaghetti with meatballs at saka garlic bread. Pero parang mas gusto ko ng breaded pork chops. So magluluto pa ako ng breaded pork chops para sa akin at kay nanay. So lutuin ko muna yan guys and then magla-lunch na ako. Luto na itong breaded pork chops. Kakain ako. Hindi ako magra-rice. Alam nyo guys, I'm trying to lose weight. So, parang yung ginagawa ko ngayon, yung low-carb diet. And then, nag-exercise ako. We have a treadmill and a stationary bike na nasa garage. So, nag-exercise ako doon. So, today, ito lang kakainin ko. high fat, ano naman to, lean naman to. Hindi naman siya ganong mataba. And then, hindi ako magra-rice. Magsasalad ako. Ito yung salad guys, Asian Crunch. Tapos, yung ginamit kong oil dito, olive oil. Yung light tasting olive oil for cooking. Kasi di ba may mga ibang olive oil na for salad lang or for dressing. So, ginamit ko yung for cooking. Hindi ganong is not as bad as vegetable oil. So, itong kakainin ko. Wait lang. Kunin ko. Ito na lang. Look at this, guys. And then, I'll just have some salad. First time kong i-try to. Yung isa, meron akong, may lahi na mo. Oh, you know what? Ay, pinakala ko iba dun sa binibili ko, kaya lang mas maliit lang pala to. So, ganyan siya, guys. Ayan. Dahon-dahon lang. Tapos, meron siyang kasama. Asian sesame dressing and wonton squares. So, ito lang, guys. Lagay ko lang itong dressing. Lagay natin dyan. Sarap ng ulam ko. Kayo guys, anong lunch nyo? Kailangan ko mag-jita. And then, ito na lang. So, ayan guys. I'm gonna eat my lunch. So, here's my lunch for today. Bread, pork chops, and Asian crunch salad. Kain muna ako guys ha. Nasundo na namin si Avery. Nagmimerienda. Gusto daw, nagmerienda na siya ng ano. What do you call your chips, baby? What do you call them, your chips? Ruffles. Ngayon, meron pa siyang gusto.
Mom,
What do you want?
can I have 4 kisses?
Okay, 4 kisses. Ito yung pantry namin, guys. Hindi ganong maayos. Hindi ganong maayos, pero ito, kumain na siyang ganito. Merong paki. Yan, pantry. May bikat dito, guys. So, kumain na akong bikat. Ito yung mga snacks lang ni Ingrid. Kung ano-ano lang to. Gusto daw ng kisses. How many do you want? How many? 4, okay. Oh, magmimerienda muna siya. And then, we're gonna give her a bath. There you go, my love.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, finish those, okay? We gotta go. Okay, baby? I love you.
I love you.
Ayan, guys. As you could see, walang Christmas tree dito. So, we decided na hindi na muna kami mag-Christmas tree this year. Kasi nga, yung gusto ko, wala nang stock. So, nag-last trip kami kanina sa Home Depot and Target, pero wala talaga. Merong iba, may mga ibang Christmas pa, pero ayoko naman yung mga style na yun, you know. I don't wanna get something that I don't really like. It's for the sake of getting one, and then di man ako masaya. And then, so okay lang kahit wala. Meron naman mga konting decoration dito sa loob ng bahay, at meron din sa labas. So, next year na lang mag-Christmas tree para mabili ko yung gusto ko. Kasi next year niyan, yung gusto kong yun, meron din silang sale ng for Black Friday sa susunod na yun. Sa susunod na taon na yun, yung Black Friday deal, that's after Thanksgiving around November. So, hindi ko na rin yung life. So, nakaligo na si Avery, na paliguan ko na siya. It's 5 p.m. here, and then magluluto na ako ng dinner. Alam niyo guys, yung routine natin, di ba? Parang minsan, anong tawag dito? Di ba nakakasawa? Yung ba parang ulit-ulit na lang. Pero ganun talaga, di ba? Wala naman tayo magagawa. Kaya sometimes, we need a break. Yun nga, nabanggit ko sa isang vlog ko that we need me time. Kailangan natin yun to recharge, you know, to energize para sa susunod na araw. Kasi, ganun na to guys eh, di ba? Ganun na itong buhay natin, especially if you're a mom and a wife. Tapos, stay-home mom and wife ka pa, like me. So, ganun talaga. Pare-pares na yung ginagawa. You know, you take care of the wife and the husband. You have to cook for their food, take care of the laundry, take care of the house, even sa finances, although I don't work. Pero yung sweldo ng asawa ko, I have the access. Ako yung nagpa-finance. So, yun kasama na lahat yun doon. And then, we have to buy yung mga sa budgeting pa. So, ang dami ginagawa. But anyway, there's nothing to complain, di ba? I mean, yung mga ibang tao, hindi nakakatayo. Yung ibang tao, walang may soul. Tayo, at least, you know, because still by what we want. But anyway, magluluto na ako guys, and thank you pa sa pagsama sa akin sa susunod ulit. And yung mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe.
Like and share.
Thank you, bye!